Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made smoked fish using my air fryer. Yeah, you remember I just got this air fryer and I unboxed it. So if you missed that video, I'm going to leave it in the description box below. This looks so good, right? And you can also make your smoked fish using an oven. I have a video where I made smoked fish using an oven, so you can also check that in the description box below. So the first thing you need to do is to wash your fish. Wash it very well and make sure it's clean. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is just to damp it and make sure it's dry with the recent increase in the prices of foodstuffs in Nigeria, Titus Fish, aka Mackerel Fish, is chilling with the big boys now. This just goes to show that we all have our time to shine. So now is the time for Titus Fish to shine in Nigeria. Okay, so I just go ahead to add some salt, and just you can also add pepper and any other thing you like, but I'll just be using only salt. And I don't want to use a toothpick, so I'll just put it in between the mouth because I don't want to use the toothpick in my air fryer. So that's just what I'm going to do, and that's okay. So the next one, I'm going to repeat the same process, add a little bit of salt, and I'm also going to do a different one by putting the tail inside the mouth. So just watch and see if you don't want to use a toothpick. I'm going to be using the settings for fish. It has other settings. It all depends on what you're making. And also remember, it's always good to read the manual because it gives you more information about the gadget you're using. So I'm just going to set this now and we're going to time it for 20 minutes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you get notified immediately I post a new video. Thank you, and please don't forget to click on the like button. Give us a thumbs up. It goes a long way to help my channel. So right now we're going to let the fish cook for 20 minutes. I set the timer for 20 minutes, but if you're using this immediately, you could set it for 10-15 minutes if you're using the fish immediately. But I'm going to be storing this. I just want to make it ready for the week. Look at how delicious this looks. Yummy, yummy, yummy goodness. This looks so good. So let me know in the comment section, what are you going to make with smoked mackerel fish? Are you going to use it to drink gari? Are you using it for soup, for fish sauce? Let me know in the comment section. This is the oil I got from the air fryer. That is why it is very good to use an air fryer. So this is the oil that came out from the fish.